Just installed my new crash bars and now it's time to test them. Here we go. Let's do this. Sorry for the clickbait, guys. I obviously not gonna drop it. It's a brand new bike and none of these parts are sponsored. This is just a quick installation video, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna drop it quite a lot in the future. So, one from the future here. I did drop my bike a couple of times, but the crash bars held on pretty good. I just returned from my road trip through the Scandinavian countries, and which I dropped her like 3 times. One time in Denmark, I was driving on the beach and just lost it at one soft sandy spot. And one time I was practicing some power slides, and yeah, well, the more you walk around, the more you find out. And I dropped her on the rocks. That was the hardest crash, I would say. And another time, just trying to go uphill on a grassy track, I would say. And yeah, tipped over. Well, nothing major. I didn't hurt myself. I did damage the bike a little bit, but nothing duct tape couldn't fix. So my handguard, it's completely broken off, wrapped around some tape, and the mirror, which was actually kind of stupid because I broke this one off when lifting the bike. And before I show you the impact on the crash bars, I want to inform that I did have these Moto 80 liter bags on, which took quite some of the fall, I would say, the hit on the ground, because partially the bike was rested on the crash bars and the other part was on the Moto bags itself. I hope you can see it because I didn't clean the bike yet, but just some scratches. The only part here is some paint chipped off because yeah, it hit a rock. But other than that, the fairings are totally fine. Dirty, but totally fine. Didn't break off anything, didn't damage anything on the bike. I also want to mention that having crash bars like these gives me as a beginner adventure rider a lot of confidence. I'm not afraid to drop the bike. If it starts to fall, I just let it go, instead of trying to catch it and risk injuring myself.